Welcome all of you to a learning session by Professor Abhay Dikshit on art of negotiation. Some people love to negotiate, some people loathe to negotiate, some people anyway do it. But very few people have a clear strategy on how to do negotiation and win a deal. So today we have Professor Abhay Dikshit, who will give us an idea about this art. It's an art and science basically. It's a perfect blend of psychological science and artistic appeal about the whole skill of negotiations. We will understand the tactics and tips of how to win a negotiation today. It's a very interactive and workshop kind of a session which Professor will take us through. I request our chairperson, Ms. Rekha Lahoti, to escort our guest speaker, Professor Abhay Dikshit, to light the lamp.
Negotiation by Professor Abhay Dikshit would be focusing on the deal you want, how to negotiate in any situation by leveraging your emotions, enhance your negotiation skills, and get the deal you want every time. Whether it is handling your domestic staff, whether it's shopping, whether it's bargaining with a vegetable vendor, or in any other relationship. May I now take the liberty on behalf of Flow and our esteemed guest speaker, Professor Abhay Dikshit, to assure all of you that after today's session, you'll be now much more geared up and skilled to negotiate with anyone and everyone. Thank you.
Okay, thank you all of you for coming here today, and particularly Mrs. Rekha Lahoti for calling me here today, and I also thank for the kind words she gave. I am a visiting faculty at IIM Ahmedabad for last 6 years. I have also been associated with ISB Hyderabad for about 5 years. I think one of the participants here, Mrs. Jaiswal, was part of one of the groups, so she knows me well. So those are the couple of things which I thought I will clarify. To talk to such group of ladies is daunting, and more so because the subject is negotiation skills. All men who are here, at least here and here, some of them, and also they will all agree that it is very difficult to negotiate with women. Okay, not just wife or mother or daughter, sister, but any woman. The reason is women are far better negotiators than men. And there is a historical reason for this. You know, in most of the societies of the world, men have power. So they get what they want by using that power, fairly and unfairly. So they don't really need to learn the negotiation skills. Power gives them what they want in most of the cases. Okay? Even a person who doesn't have a social power in the social circles has power at home. So he's able to use that power to get what he wants. I'm talking not of today, but I'm talking of centuries. And not only in India, but all over the world. Whereas women always had to use negotiations to get what they want.
Thank you for introducing us to so many new words. Please take a seat. To BATNA, to walkaway price, distributive and integrative negotiations. And thank you for introducing us to a brand new word, Zikota. You must all go out and get this new drink wherever it's available. And make sure that you negotiate the price right. 130 rupees, I think, Professor? Thank you very much, and I'd like our chairperson Rekha Lahoti to hand over this memento to Professor Dikshit.